Good morning, my friends. I make this measurement for brace. You have a Ford radiator. I want to show you the inside of the lister, what can be housed here in this outside cover can fit a radiator of 10 and a 3/4 inch. I've got this old Stanley, which is still in the old measurement. So it is 10 and a half width in the width. And let's check the height that you can take. Okay guys, and then the height, that is now from the bottom there of the underside to the top of the radiator here is about, let me just focus. That's not difficult, but it's 13 inches. Sorry for the blur, it's 13 inches. So it sounds ample space here. And the width is more than double. I would say 5 inches that it can take. So I guess on top I see you've got an outlet here and an outlet there, so we can make a plan to bring it into one. And at the bottom there's ample space to make also a plan and bend the pipe that go in there. So it seems if an old Ford radiator can work in this space available. I will check in this video, I will check what is the measurements of braces short and bring that into the video. Okay, so we're going to continue and repair or reposition that starter mechanism and start up this boy. Okay guys, let's loose up the starting mechanism and reposition it. You might see this rope jump back to its position once I open or loosen it. Okay, I'll bring it back guys, I'm all over the show here. Okay, you can see the rope jump back and it's now loose. So I need to fix it now again, just on the right position. And then we'll go for a start. Okay guys, I managed to get it in a position where it will pull. But I'm so afraid, so I'm going to take it very gentle. So I just want to open the fuel, and then it got, can you see here, it got the same as the lister. It can have the same starting prime knob here for fuel to come through, and then it should start. There comes it out. Okay, it should start now, but I want to take it very gentle. And I'm not sure if I need to give choke. Let's hope. Let's take off the choke. see how long it runs. Look at the governor. Okay guys, this was a nice yarn. Okay Bryce, and we've got the measurements of that, and it sounds if this is a little bit bigger, that will be very nice. I think I'll just check now and insert it in the video, the measurements that you give in connection with what really the case is here. Okay guys, see you on the next one. The farm walk coming up. See you again. Bye bye.